Who are you and what do you want from me? I have no money. I am only a weary traveler. I am the great evil ninja. Leader of all evil ninjas. And you aren't ninja master or aren't you? Well, now you're my great prisoner. Not without a fight. Sadly, I know where you are going. To the village beyond the hills. I will burn it if you do not surrender. I surrender. Just leave the townsfolk alone. Good. Very, very good. Ha 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 ha. I'll find a way out of this. I know I will.